Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube, and I'm back with one of my favorite videos to make, a Thredup rescue box unboxing video. This is the shoe box. It's $90 for 15 pairs of shoes. That makes it $6 each. This is a rescue box. It's a DIY, so sometimes the shoes need to be cleaned or polished or need a little love. My last shoebox though, friends, was amazing. Check out the video. It looks like this. I've just started getting that stuff listed as a part-time reseller on eBay and Poshmark. It sometimes takes me a little bit to clean up the shoes, take photos of them, and then list them online, but I think I've got almost everything up. In 48 hours, the Tory Burch flats that I got in my last Thredup rescue box sold for 50 bucks, plus the buyer paid shipping. So half my box is already paid for, so the other 14 pairs I know I will sell and make a really good profit on the shoe box. I've gotten every type of Thredup box. Check out my channel. I have an entire unboxing playlist, but I've gotten the handbag box, the women's, the men's, the denim, the designer. So if you like unboxings, you go ahead and binge that playlist of all my unboxing videos. Let's open up this Thredup shoebox and see how I do on this one. So as you can see, this is a total DIY box. The shoes are just thrown in the box. They're not wrapped or packaged or anything. And I can see like right away, there's some things in here that need a lot of cleanup, but that's okay. I expect that. I manage my expectations. I have some videos on the channel of me cleaning shoes. I know how to clean them pretty quick, cheap, and easy at home. So check those out if you're interested. Okay, this first pair of shoes is a cute mustard sandal. It's Old Navy, so I'm gonna guess that these are faux suede. And you can see they've got a lot of dirt. This is a really hot color. In 2020 it was, and I think it's continuing into 2021. Slingback heel in mustard, size 7. I do have a suede cleaning kit. It's linked in the description section of the video. It's by the brand UGG. And I use it for all suede and faux suede because it needs a different cleaner than regular leather. Here's another pair, for example. Where am I going to put these? I'm just going to throw the shoes down and have like a big shoe pile. Here's another pair of suede looking shoes. I like this. This looks like such a classic loafer. Ooh, this will be something to research. The brand is Nizzolo. I'm totally saying that wrong. Nisolo. Size 8.5. Now I'm gonna guess that this is a high quality shoe. The indicators for me are that this looks like a genuine leather bottom sole, which usually is indicative of an expensive shoe to have the actual bottom tread be leather. They feel like genuine suede, genuine leather, and a genuine leather sole made in Peru. So yes, let me show you the brand on that. These look really good. Here, it's a little clearer here. I'm going to look these up. If I learn something, if I have time to research and I learn about comps, I'll pop that up on the screen because I know that's really helpful. Now, with every pair of shoes, I'm kind of looking, going like, would I spend $6? Like on that Old Navy, on this, if I was out thrifting, I wouldn't pick this up for $6 personally. It is a cute style and color though, so I wouldn't be surprised if those sell. Now these I probably would have picked up. And they've got some surface dirt, you know, but nothing damaged. They feel really amazing. I'm an 8. These are an 8.5. Otherwise I might consider keeping those. Okay, let's see what this is. I love rescue boxes. I love the clothing ones as well because I learn so much. Like here's a shoe that looks pretty cute. A sneaker with kind of, I don't know what that is, like almost like a sun graphic print. And the brand is Incas, I-N-K-K-A-S. Anyone know anything about it? Size 9, they're made of textile. I mean, that's a cute shoe and it's in really great condition. They're often not paired up, so I'm searching in the big box here. So I will look up that brand, and when I do that, I learn new brands, new styles. It's really good for me as a reseller. It keeps it interesting. I love learning and growing all the time. Oh, these are cute. And these are Clarks. Clarks is a pretty good brand. They make comfort shoes. Now this has like a cork wedge or platform, so that's what I'd be putting in my title for this. And it's like a beige slip-on. And this is Clark's Artisan. I actually personally really like their shoes. These are a US 7.5. This is good. I'm not getting like all size 4 or 5 that are just harder to sell. I really like that. Pretty clean. Let me find its mate here. They still have the stickers on the bottom. So to me, these look like someone bought them and maybe just didn't wear them. These will probably sell okay. I don't know. I haven't checked comps, but you know, maybe like in the $20 range, $25 even. Ooh, these are cute. Oh, these are good. These are really cute. The brand on this is J. Jill. And J. Jill is still my best-selling clothing brand on eBay. I've been selling on eBay for 10 years. My best sellers are mature women's clothing. J. Jill, Style & Co., Talbots, Chico's, they all sell pretty well for me. I haven't got their shoes though. These are genuine leather, lining and the sock, and they're a size 10, so a nice size, just kind of a suede slip-on. So see, I'm really glad I have that suede cleaning kit from UGG. I think it's about $20, and it comes with like a cleaner, a protector, a suede brush, and I need it for my suede shoes and handbags. What's this? This is cute. I don't know. Circus. I think this Circus. Oh, I know who is Circus a Sam Edelman brand? The reason I think I know that is because so you say Circus. I think it's a line of Sam Edelman because I was looking at some clutch handbags by this brand. They were so cute, like black with tassels, very boho, resort wear type of thing. And they were by Circus. Oh, I'm right. God, I can't believe I pulled that out of the air. I mean, that was like 2 years ago. I was going to Mexico with my family. Pre-COVID and pandemic life, I used to go every March to a resort down there, and I wanted this cute Sam Edelman bag, and it was by Circus, and they were kind of pricey. So look how dirty they are on the bottom though, but hopefully I can clean that up. I'll just use soap and water and a sponge, and maybe some awesome soap, maybe a magic eraser. Check out my videos if you want to know how I do it. The inside looks fine though, and these are probably genuine leather. One of the issues sometimes, friends, with these boxes is that like they might not have the size. I still sell them. I'll kind of try them on and I'll be like, I'm an 8 and these are too small, so they're probably a 7. And then I give them measurement from the toe to the heel. That's kind of the best we can do with that. So far so good. I'm not complaining. Let's look at these babies. Okay, these are Nike. But these look almost retro to me. I thought these were going to be those Adidas sneakers because that's what they look like. I got a pair of Nike sneakers in my last box, and I don't know a ton about athletic brands and shoes like that. I don't know what Nike stuff is sought after, but I'm learning because the sneakers I got in my last Thredup box, I'll put a picture up if I have it still. I listed those for $49.99 because they seemed like they were going between $35 and $60 for these pre-owned shoes. So these are a US women's 8.5. They're just a cute tennis shoe, but I love the blush pink stripe on there in pretty good shape. So I'll just scrub these up really well. I'll take a magic eraser along this white here and brighten it up. Pretty darn good shape though, so that's pretty good. And I'm getting like all size 8.5. Sometimes I wonder, like, did I get this entire woman's shoes? Like, did she send in all her shoes to Thredup and didn't request them back if they weren't going to sell them? And so I got like all of hers. I sometimes wonder that. Do you guys? Ooh, I love these. Gosh, these are beauties. I love these. What is the keyword for these? Are they like Oxfords? I think so. I just love this classic style. And these are Cole Haan. Cole Haan handbags and stuff do pretty well. And these are an 8.5. Again, I wonder, because look, these are all an 8.5. Like, doesn't these look like they maybe belong to the same woman? So these are nice. They need a cleanup, and once again, I need my suede cleaner for that. This is awesome. Have you got the shoebox before, you guys? Let me know in the comments. I've only got one shoebox. I've got handbags, I've got a bunch of stuff, but I only have gotten shoebox once, and it was so good that I immediately ordered a couple more. They are hard to find. I know a lot of you in the questions, in the comments of the video will ask, how do I get the shoebox? It's never up. I totally hear you. It's just, I check Thredup every day. It's just like I check eBay, Poshmark. I check it every day. And it's like you just get lucky sometimes. What are these? These are pretty. A suede wedge. This is sometimes called like a hidden heel or hidden wedge. What is this brand? Brian Atwood. Never heard of it, but made in Italy. So I'm going to look this up. Again, notice the heel is a genuine leather. That is so expensive to make the tread genuine leather too. And it says here, Vero Cuscio. I'm sorry if I'm not saying that right, but this is the symbol and the words that translate to made in Italy. Shoes that are made in Italy are expensive. Oh, but these have some real condition issues. This is the sort of thing that might end up in like a DIY designer box. But look here on the heel. So I'm gonna try and clean these up. I might be able to put a little shoe polish there. Otherwise, they're pretty good. Yeah, they just have some wear on the bottom tread, which is going to happen, but that's a little bit like, I don't know. If you're going to pay for designer shoes, I might be able to clean these up, though. Have some faith, Quimby. You can make them look great again. That's one of the things I love about being a reseller, right? It's like, hey, somebody's just going to like throw those in the trash or something, and I'm going to clean them up, try and make them look nice, and maybe give them another home. What is this? No idea. Look at this fancy sneaker. Oh, it has a Nike swish. Oh, yeah, so it's Nike. I learned something. Air Max. Don't know. Like, are Nike Air Max something people want or not? Are they expensive now? I don't know, but I'm learning. I wanted to show you guys. So this one, usually there's a tag inside the tongue here, but on this shoe, it's on the insert. Can I pull it out? No, but I wanted to show you inside the shoe. See this tag? There's a number on there. It doesn't say style number, but it is the style number. There's usually a long number on here. Like on this one, it's going to be AR7410-101. If I put Nike and then I put that into Google, I can often find a style name. Whether you use stock photos or not is up to you. I tend to I use stock photos if I have a new tag item, but not necessarily if I have a pre-owned item. If I use a stock photo, I always include my own pictures of the actual product. I think that's really important, but it's good because when you want to go sell it, you want to have the style name in there in case someone's looking for that. Oh, this box goes too fast. There's only 15 items. No way. This is so funny. You guys, these are the exact Tory Burch shoes that I got in my last box. The ones I got were green, and these are like nude. This is so funny. So I know that these are called the Mini, M-I-N-N-I-E Ballet Flat. They're currently for sale on the Nordstrom website for $225. That's the reason I could ask. I think I had them up for like $69 or something, and I took a best offer of $50 because I paid $6, and it was like a quick flip. And this is like the way the other looked at. It doesn't have the gold pendant or something that's usually in there, but it's the Mini Travel Flat, and this is nude. And I learned these are in pretty good shape too. I had to learn where to find the size. These are all tips that I'm giving you because I've learned. It's hard to see, but on the last time it was tucked inside there, etched into the leather. So I had to, here it is. I had to get like a magnifying glass to read it. I know some of you were interested in those flats and buying them, so I can't see it just now, but I'm going to guess these are about at 7.5 or 8. Message me if you want these in your life. And the other pair had this same issue. There's a little bit of wear at the toe, and this one's got a little bit more at the heel. Now, if these were like black, I have black shoe polish, I could fix those right out, but this nude is going to be a little harder. Really cute. That's fantastic. Thank you, Thredup. I just love Thredup. I've done great with Thredup. I'm so thankful to Thredup, especially during the pandemic. I'm not out there sourcing or thrifting. I'm getting everything online. Thredup has been like my friend. Shut up! These are so good too. Guys, another good Thredup shoebox. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So these are Madewell. Now, Madewell, I was just wearing a Madewell shirt this morning. I changed into a nicer blouse for this video for you guys. Madewell is an expensive brand and people love it. I don't pick up like the tops anymore for resale. I'll pick them up for myself because I can't sell them, but the denim sells pretty well for me, not as well as it used to. But you know, to get 40 bucks for a pair of pre-owned jeans, I think is pretty good. But the shoes I've only found a couple times and they've sold well. These are a 9. They're like a leather slip-on. Really cute, in really great shape. I clean up all the shoes and I'll use a disinfectant wipe on the inside so that if someone's getting a pre-owned shoe, I can say, hey, it's been cleaned. A couple more pairs here and they're all sandals. So yeah, this is not like, I'm filming this in the end of December 2020, getting ready for 2021. It's going to be a better year. It's got to be a better year. How could it not be a better year? A lot of sandals. So I'll list them in spring, summer, hope they sell them. These are, I don't know how to say, a Cote. I think this is like Urban Outfitters. I think that brand is Urban Outfitters. These are a metallic leather thong sandal. And again, the hardest thing for me is not having the size on a lot of these. So I just do the best I can. But a cute leather slip-on sandal, not too much wear. Okay, down to our last 2 pairs. I don't know this brand. Seiko? What? I don't know. Look at how it says it. SAY-KO, but then that's not what the actual logo says. So there's that. If I learn something, I'll pop it in. These are cute. They feel really nice leather. Another thong. These are almost like a gladiator sandal. And then they have this beadwork on the top. Pretty good shape, a little wear here on the heels. In my reselling business, I'd rather under promise and over deliver. So I take pictures and note any defect. Oh, these are an 8. Good. There's actually a size on there. That's my size too. I note every defect. I take pictures. I point. I'll say these are pre-owned. They might have minor blemishes or flaws. I've cleaned them. But I don't want anyone to be disappointed in something they get. So I try really hard to like disclose every little flaw. Okay. Oh, these are Toms, of course. Toms is really popular for their canvas slip-on, but then they've made all sorts of cool stuff. I got a pair of Toms brown leather boots, like ankle booties in my Stitch Fix box. I didn't keep them. They weren't quite my style, but they were like 150 bucks or something. So these, I swear I've sold these before, like in black, wedge or platform, and then it's got kind of like an ethnic print on those. Those are really cute. Those are pretty high too. I always measure the heel for my listings. And these are a 6.5. Pretty cute. I'd say all in all, an awesome box. There are 3 pair in there that I'm going to look up and hopefully leave some information for you guys. But I think this is another, the Tory Burch flats will probably pay for half the box. And then if I can sell 1 other pair, 2 other pairs, then everything else will be profit. That's the benefit of Thredup. You don't always get a great box. I've got my share of duds, but I get a lot of really great boxes too. So I hope you check out my playlist of Thredup unboxings, and I'll see you friends in the next video.